Welcome to Makers Creating. So tonight I am working on some gift sets for an order for a baby shower. So this is some of my madness right here. So if you want to see me put all these together, keep watching. All right, so I have three of the sets started. I have some shrink wrap bags that I buy in bulk, and I have a lot of items that I get on clearance. Now, some of these items, yes, have come from the Dollar Tree, and it's really all about presentation. So the color is gold and green that the tables are. So I got these some green iridescent bags, and I also got this gold. I had got this on clearance at some point, this mesh ribbon. So I'm gonna put these together with these flowers, so you'll see at the end how the bags look. So I'm just gonna put this in fast mode and I'm just gonna work. So you won't hear me saying anything, you'll just see me working. So I have all the baskets assembled with everything in them. I'm just gonna finish them up so you can see what they look like, and then I'm going to bag them up and I'll be back. All right, so here are some of the baskets, the mini gift sets. together. And these are gifts for a baby shower. Baby shower gifts. So she wanted 8 of them. She said it were all females. She is a frequent customer of mine. She always orders mini gift sets and at least 8 of them. I do go a little bit above and beyond because she is a frequent customer. All right, so I'm about to decorate some bags, some gift bags. So I'm going to show you how I do that. So I have some glitter mesh and I have some, these are flowers. All this came from Dollar Tree. And so what I'm going to do is I need 8 of them. So I got all my flowers here. So I'm going to make a bow. I made my bow. I'm going to show you how to make another one. I do have my ruler, but I can just eyeball it pretty much. I'll fold this over. And I'm going to fold it over again, like this. And I'm going to cut the strip. I need to get some more craft scissors. I don't know. These are dull, but they're going to work for right now. So I need 14 of these. I already made one, but it's 2 pieces of this mesh per bow. Get one more, but I'm going to show you how I make these. So I need this here, and you're going to need this. So I'll cut 1, 2, and it don't matter the length of the curling ribbon. 4, 5, 6, and I'll just use it all the way to the end. Do this. You gotta make sure that this part and this part, you have a overlap really well. This part and this part. Because see, if not, they're not going to stay together. And then you just cinch it together like this. You got a bow. Take your gold and you're going to tie it. This. And there you go. Like that. And then what you're going to do is you're going to bring this back. This is the front right here. You're going to take and put glue like that. just gonna place this right so it's like this. Just like that. And there you go. And then what I'm gonna do here is I got my gold bag right here. I'm gonna take my gold bag. I'm not cutting this curling ribbon off. I'm just gonna let it hang down. And I'm gonna take and put this on here. Just like that. And okay, so I'm back. So I have this here. I'm gonna hot glue it. Hot glue it right to the front of here. Put that there like that. Look at how pretty that looks. And we're gonna get our green bag, not our gold, our green, not gold. And we're going to put it right on there like that. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty on this green. So pretty. And there you go. There we go. But there you have a decorated bag. There we go. So here are the baskets. Not baskets, gift bags. Some of them have green. Some of them have the gold paper. I love this bow here on this bag. Oh my goodness. And this is the one with the green. Oh my gosh, how cute are these bags? And again, I did go overboard for this customer because she's a frequent purchaser. Yeah, I love them. Just wanted to share. Hope that you found some inspiration from this video. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you can know every time I upload a new video. See ya.